Pardon me, Doc. Fresh out of carrots. Low bridge. I live here. It's my home. That's what it is. Look, Doc. Do I go around nailing signs over your house? Do I? There's still such a thing as private property, you know. Did you ever hear of the inalienable right of the sanctity of the home?
Forgive me, my friend. Do you like blackberry pie?
No. Did you say blackberry pie? Yum, yummy. Well, have some.
What a dumb bunny.
Of course you realize this means war.
And now from the empty hat, I will press the pull a live rabbit, yes. Ruta, vuta, zut. And observe, a rabbit, yes.
Guess who?
You.
Yes, me. You didn't expect to see me again, eh, Svengali?
Go away, please, you dumb rabbit's bunny. You are for to ruining my act.
Wrong, Doc. I'm gonna help you. Let's see now. You was trying to press the pull a rabbit out of the hat.
Regardez. Ruta, vuta, zut. Carrot? Oh, yes. Come out and get a nice carrot, pretty Bonnie. I got him.
On the contrary, I've got you.
Ladies and gentle peoples, for my next illusion, I will require the assistance of a small boy from the audience.
I shall be happy to assist you, sir.
I shall now attempt to run razor-sharp swords through the basket. There's nothing for to fear. It's a trick. The swords do not penetrate. No.
agony. Oh, oh, oh.
Does it hurt very much, sonny boy?
Red light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, red light. 1, red light. On garde, touché, cabriolet, sauf s'il laissait Paul de terre au revoir. Sout. What a performance, D'Artagnan! What a performance! If I do it, I get a whipping. I do it. Hello, oh yeah, I feel well to read.